Gita Bite Size Learning, episode 44. Sankhya Yoga, Shloka 22, question: Who am I? We are learning about the eternal essence of a soul and about the limitations of a human body. Sri Krishna asks Arjuna to look at the larger picture and realize that he can neither kill nor die in reality. You may ask, what sense does it make to me? I am not going to wage a war like Arjuna. I will not kill and I will not be killed in a war scenario. We need to interpret killing and getting killed as action and change. A soul or your real essence cannot perform an action and cannot undergo a change. Actions and physical changes are related to the physical realm and not to the eternal soul. Vasansi jirnani yatha vihaya navani गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णान् अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि. As a person discards old, worn out garments and wears new clothes, likewise at the time of death the soul casts off its worn out body and enters a new one. As per Vedanta, we have existence at three levels: body, mind and spirit. Body, Sthula Sharira, is the most tangible form. Our physical body, which is made up of 5 basic elements of nature. Sthula Sharira is our finite body that is born into this world to grow, deteriorate and perish. It is our visible earthly vehicle that breathes, moves and rests while carrying the mind and the spirit. Mind, Sukshma Sharira, takes on less material yet a vital form. It is the subtle or energetic body which includes psychological level of our being. This refined form carries our mental and emotional faculties, our sensory perceptions and motor actions. Sukshma Sharira is the body form where we experience thinking, knowing, feeling, acting and all sensations. It keeps our physical body alive while providing us with our sense of self, ahankara, and is a bridge to unite the body and spirit. Spirit or Karana Sharira is the least material form, representing our spiritual body as the gateway to cosmic consciousness. This causal form consists 3 universal qualities of harmony, movement and stability: sattva, rajas and tamas. It keeps a record of all previous and current actions, karma and impressions, samskaras. Karana Sharira is considered to hold the cause, karana of this life, the storehouse for past lives and seed for the next life to come. Scientists agree that life force keeps a human alive, but it might take centuries for them to actually understand how and what about the physical, subtle and causal bodies. Do you know that no human can conceive of a chemical factory to produce all the chemicals and hormones produced by the physical body of a human? We have not yet made that kind of progress to understand how a subtle body and causal body can carry memories and information of multiple births. The Atma or soul resides deep within and is considered as pure eternal consciousness. The soul is not an object which can be seen or felt, but awareness within self is the soul. And this helps us to experience life in its totality. Thank you for watching. Meet you soon.